Okay. Hi everyone. Today topic is physiology. Physiology means that the different body functions is called that physiology. Our body system, for example, human body system, digestive system, respiratory system, nervous system, muscle system, endocrine system. Different systems are there. Each system different characteristic functioning. For example, digestive system. Complementary food substances change to simple absorption material is called the digestion. That is the one of the functioning. Respiration. Respiration main important to exchange of gases or energy provider. That is the one of the functioning. And after that, circular system, blood heart structure, that is the main important transport of different type of food material. And excretion system, the elimination of wastes from the body, that is the one of the system. And after that, our endocrine system. Endocrine system means that totally chemical messengers. That's one. And highest system, very important, nervous system. Nervous system means totally the king of organ. Our body totally very important controlled system, that is the nervous system. Nervous system main important to messengers. And after that, nerve impulse. Different systems are there. Now today physiology first topic name is digestive system. Any competitive exam, any theoretical level, very important digestive system. First of all, definition. Digestion. Complementary food substances change to simple absorption material is called the digestion. Complex level. First food is complex. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, macronutrients. Totally complex level. That is the target finally liquid level. That is the first definition. Complementary food substances change to simple absorption material is called the digestion. Is the target. Our body is commonly rest, but our body is not rest. Good dedicatory disciplinary work. That is the physiological functioning. First digestion. And after that, digestion main two types. Digestion mainly two types. Intracellular digestion, extracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion means that, for example, protozoa group of animal, only one cell. Body only one cell. The food material entering into the inside the cell. That one is called intracellular digestion. Example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, plasmodium. And our human body system, extracellular digestion. Extracellular digestion means that food material entering into the outside of the cell. This is a very important intracellular digestion, extracellular digestion. Okay, now digestion, human digestive system. Any organism digestive system, commonly two parts are present. Number one is alimentary canal. This one is alimentary canal. Second one is associated help digestive glands. Any group of animal, pranu, cockroach, and after that human body, any organism, digestion common, two parts are present. Alimentary canal, second one is associated digestive glands. Alimentary canal is a longitudinal tube. Start part is mouth, end part is anus. Now, next slide. Salivary, mouth, next one is common mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, and small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. This is the common totally digestive tract. Totally this is the digestive tracts. And next one, next slide. And introduction. Digestion main important introduction. There are four stages to food processing. Four stages. First one is ingestion, taking in food. Taking in food, different type of animal, different type of food role. Herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, swangivorous. But human body omnivorous. Omnivorous means to feed different type of vegetarian and non-veg. And this is the ingestion food entering into the mouth, taking in food. And digestion common, breaking down food into nutrients. Different type of nutrients. Actually, nutrients two type. Nutrients different type. Macronutrients, micronutrients. Macronutrients three types. Carbohydrates, proteins, fat. Micronutrients different. Vitamins and after that minerals different. But this is the totally digestion, breaking down food into nutrients. Main nutrients three. Carbohydrate. How to digestion of carbohydrates. How to digestion of proteins. How to digestion of fats. Major role. And after that, absorption, taking in nutrients by cells. Absorption, how to absorption? Actually food entering into the mouth to buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Small intestine totally complementary. For example, carbohydrate final change to glucose, protein final change to amino acids, fats final change to glycerols, complex food to change to liquid stage and simple stage. This one is absorption. And egestion means removing any leftover wastages. This is the introduction. And after that, functions of digestive system. Ingest food, first one. And second one is break down food into nutrient molecules. Carbohydrates, glucose, proteins, amino acids, fats, glycerols. And absorb molecules into the bloodstream. And rid the body and of its digestible remains. Next, indigestible remains. Next one, parts of the digestive system. Different parts. Any digestive system parts are very important. Mouth and a buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Common headings. And digestive gland, common heading, salivary glands, human. And after that, gastric glands, liver, pancreas, and after that, intestinal glands. But this one, parts of the digestive system common. Teeth, first mouth and buccal cavity present of teeth. Teeth grinds your food. Different grinds your food. Very important role, teeth. Teeth are different type of teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Our human dental formula 2123 by 2123. 2102 by 2102 milk teeth. Very very important competitive level. And after that, salivary gland common, produce the saliva in your mouth. Tongue help to push food into your esophagus. And different type of tongue, the very hard muscle our body, tongue. Different type of taste buds also present. Fungiferum papillae and circumvallate papillae. Different type of taste. 4 type of taste. Taste, bitter, sweet, salt. Different type of taste also available. Our taste buds. Next slide. And after that, teeth, main important teeth. 4 type of teeth are present. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. This one is incisors. Incisors, main important cutting of food material. And after that, main canines well developed carnivorous animal, non-vegetable related animals. Canines. Premolars, molars. This is the common structure of the teeth. Next. And after that, the functioning of teeth. Actually, teeth, crown, neck, root structure. Teeth structure, crown structure. And after that, next one is crown, neck, root. Actually, our human body system, very hard substances is called enamel. Enamel is also. And after that, totally this is the 4 type of the teeth. Incisors, canines. Next one, premolar, molar. Incisor, main important, biting and cutting of food material. Totally cutting. And grafting and tearing, canines. For example, rabbit-like animals, canines are absent. That gap place is diastema is present. Diastema. And after that, premolar, main important, grinding and crushing. And molar, grinding and crushing. This is the main important role, teeth. Next, the human digestive system. Next part is pharynx. Actually, pharynx, mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus. Pharynx, both systems are present. Number 1 is respiratory system. Next, digestive system. Both role. Respiratory system role and digestive system also. This main important human digestive system, pharynx. The tongue pushes food around until it forms a ball called bolus. This is the bolus structure. Bolus part. Saliva is releases 6.8 pH. Main important to bolus process. Starch digestion. Totally mouth and buccal cavity. The bolus is passed to the pharynx and the epiglottis makes sure the bolus passes into the esophagus and not down the windpipe. This is the only structure, pharynx. And esophagus, next structure is esophagus. Approximately 20 centimeter long, this is the esophagus. Functions include secrete mucus like structure releases esophagus. Moves food from the throat to the stomach using muscle movement called peristalsis. Very very important competitive. peristalsis, peristalsis, peristalsis present in esophagus. And after that, if acid from the stomach gets in here, that is main important here, heartburn. This is the main important esophagus. Next, and after that, some information: esophagus runs from pharynx to stomach through the diaphragm and conduct food by the peristalsis, slow rhythms, sequencing. And next one important, main important passageway for food only. This is the main important esophagus respiratory system branches off after the pharynx. This is the esophagus main important positive food. Next one, the human digestive system main important. Next one is stomach. Actually, stomach. This one is J-shaped structure. Sac-like structure in stomach is present. Of digestion completed in stomach. Stomach mainly three parts are present. Number one is cardiac stomach, fundic stomach, pyloric stomach. And stomach releases gastric glands, pepsin, liposinogen, and HCl also. Pepsinogen converted to pepsin, HCl, and liposinogen converted to lipase. The main important J-shaped structure of digestion completed in stomach. And this is the chyme process. Chyme is now in the small, chyme entering into the totally intestine. Next slide. Okay, stomach, main important stomach, totally three parts: pyloric stomach, cardiac stomach, fundic stomach, J-shaped structure. Totally stomach 4 layers. Actually, alimentary canal 4 layers are present: serosa, muscular externa, submucosa, mucosa. And after that, main important salivary, mouth and buccal cavity, that is the carbohydrate digestion, saliva affected only starch. Our stomach totally pepsinogen, lipase, pepsin affected protein food, and lipase affected fat food, but absent of carbohydrate. And after that, infant child, renin gland, and total affected milk digestion. Next one, small intestine. Totally digestion completed in this part, small intestine. Small intestine are around roughly 7 meters long, 7 meters. And lining of intestine walls has finger-like projections called villi to increase the surface of area. The villi are covered in microvilli, which further absorption process. This is the small intestine structure. Next, the human digestive system. All leftover waste is compared and stored at the end of the large intestine called the rectum. When full, the anal sphincter looses and the waste passes out of the body, anus. This is the waste product, large intestine, outside of the body. Next, small intestine. Okay, main important, some additional information. Small intestine, main nutrients from the food passes into the bloodstream through the small intestine wall, absorbs 80% ingested water, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids. Actually, small intestine total digestion process completed. Carbohydrate finally changed to glucose. Proteins are finally changed to amino acids. Fats changed to glycerols. And our liver secretion entering into the small intestine different parts, 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum. Different 3 parts are there, and that one is totally bile centered, fats emulsification, and pancreas. Next, continue topic. Large intestine. Once again, large intestine, this is the tube-like structure and functions: bacterial digestion, ferment carbohydrates, absorb more water, and concentrate wastage. This is the model structure, large intestine. Next, digestive gland associated with animal canal include actually salivary glands, gastric glands, liver, pancreas, and intestinal glands. Next, salivary glands. That's one is salivary gland, parotid gland, and sublingual gland, and submaxillary glands. And after that, rabbit 4 salivary glands, but human body only 3: parotid gland, submaxillary maxillary glands, sublingual glands. Totally salivary gland releases saliva. Saliva totally affected food, carbohydrate or starch. And after that, saliva is mainly produced by three pairs of saliva glands, parotid gland, one lower jaw, submaxillary and sublingual gland. The below tongue, this one is a sub-lower jaw, this one submaxillary glands. Next. Yes, very prime organ our body. Liver is very prime organ. Some information. The study of liver is called that hepatology. The study of blood, hematology. But two variations, hepatology, hematology. The study of blood, hematology. The study of liver, hepatology. Liver is totally, our human liver, 1.5 kg. 1.5 kg. Liver specified characteristic, regeneration character. And liver totally releases bile juice. Liver another character, check post of our body structure. Next one, liver ornithine cycle. And liver another important role, ornithine cycle means that actually our excreted product ammonia. Detoxification process also liver, detoxification. Ammonia, but ammonia low percentage of urea converted, that's one is ornithine cycle. Cori cycle, competitive examination important. Cori cycle also allotted liver. Cori cycle means our sports persons, the working situation, lactic acid releases lactic acid to entering into the liver after to formed glucose. That's one is liver Cori cycle. Detoxification process, check post of our body structure. And liver releases bile juice. Bile juice stored in bile bladder. Bile juice contain no enzymes. It uses emulsification of fat. Fat digestion entering into the our small intestine. This is a very important liver. Any group of animal, not only human. Largest gland, liver. Smallest gland, pituitary gland. Next, pancreas. This is the role nowadays is very important to pancreas gland. Actually, glands are two types: exocrine glands, endocrine glands. Exocrine glands, our ear wax. This is the exocrine gland. Endocrine gland without duct. That one is exocrine, endocrine gland. Pancreas, tell you about the answer. Pancreas is a mixed gland. Mixed gland means some part of duct part, some part is ductless part. Duct plus entering into the digestive system. Trypsin, chymotrypsin releases protein digestion, small intestine. And ductless part releases Langerhans island. Langerhans island releases two hormones. Number one is alpha cells, second one is beta cells. Alpha cells releases glucagon. Beta cells releases insulin. Glucagon converted to glucose, glycogen. Beta cells releases insulin, that is the control of our body glucose. If body glucose are high increased, that one is diabetes mellitus. And this is the pancreas, second largest gland, heterocrine gland, secret pancreatic juice opening to the duodenum along with the bile duct. Next. Hepatic lobules are this is a common structure. Next, this is the today topic, dear aspirants. Totally, once again, recapitulation. First of all, digestion. Digestion means that complementary food substances changed to simple absorption material is called that digestion. Digestion is a chemical process. Human digestive system consists of two parts: alimentary canal, digestive gland. Alimentary canal, mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. And after that, digestive glands, salivary glands, gastric glands, and of liver, pancreas, intestinal glands. And after that, totally different issues. And finally, our small intestine totally completed of digestion. Sucrase, lactase, factors releases our intestine. Totally carbohydrate digestion, protein converted to amino acids. Finally, change to fats, change to glycerols. Glycerols, the structural functional unit of fat. This is the today class. Next video continue how to digest processing human digestive system. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe.